Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that QIE blockchain token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, QIE blockchain V3, a global transaction and identity layer for Web3. QIE is a high-performance Layer 1 blockchain designed as a global transaction and identity layer, bridging real-world payments and application with Web3. At the core of the ecosystem is QIE Pass, a reusable decentralized identity solution developed in partnership with SumSub, enabling one verified ID for all crypto and one compliant login for all dApps. Think of it as a KYC verified Google sign for Web3, simplicity and real-world adoption. Log easily into any crypto exchange, partner with a simple click and only do KYC once. QIE blockchain project institution rating is 3.1. QIE blockchain token total supply is 84.36 million and circulating supply is also 84.36 million QIE token. QIE token is listed on MEXC, BingX, Bitmart and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.